Thank you. Well, lads, we've done it. Cooked it up just this morning.
It's not going to work.
Oh, yeah? And why is that, Granger?
You see this? This is an age line. Dumbledore drew it himself. So, a genius like Dumbledore couldn't possibly be fooled by a dodge as pathetically dim-witted as an aging potion.
That's why it's so brilliant. Because it's so pathetically dim-witted. Ready, Fred? Ready, George? Awesome, sir.
Cadillac, pop that trunk. Let's take a shot, Ollie, you that don't. Tired of working at 9 to 5. Well, baby, let me come and change your life.